This is the design we are working on. For adding outline to our text, let's first of all add a text box to add this outline to it. So we can either choose add a text box here or click on any of these text style of our choice, anyone that works for us. So we can pick up font combination. If you scroll down here, I'm just going to click on add a heading. I'll paste in my text. I'm going to increase the size like so. To add outline to this text, I'm going to click on effects and it brings up all the effects Canva has. You see it on none. You see the outline effect. I'm going to click on it and it gives it this outline on it, but we don't want this color. So I'm going to click on this color and change the color. And if we scroll back, the thickness of the outline, we can control that from here. Another way to add outline, I'm going to duplicate this text box. And I'm going to layer the duplicate on top of this one. If we go over to position, you'll see what we have in our design page. For these duplicates, if we go back to effects, I'm going to be using the holo effect now to add an outline. If I move this up, and that way we can beautify this, is to click on the image we are working with and go over to edit and come here where it says magic grab under Magic Studio. I'm going to be grabbing the foreground. I'm going to click on grab. If we go back to position, you see how the elements are placed. So I'm going to move this one to come before here and I'm going to allow this one be at the back. I would select this two and come over here where it says arrange and bring it to the bottom. If we go back to layers and click on this one, the holo effect, go back to effect and choose to reduce the thickness. If you want a 1-month personalized coaching on how to use Canva, send me a message on Instagram. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.